In this lesson, I want to show you how to add your first product. Now, when you come on your dashboard after logging in, you get all this message here. This is just update that they're sending out, and you have your add product, set up payment, taxes, shipping, and personalize your store. We're going to do a whole lot with the Dokan later on, but I just want to give you an overview for WooCommerce how to add that store. So you click on add my products, and then once you come here, you want to click on recommended. And then from here, you have to, they have different things here. They're just giving you a little tour. So we're going to click on next, but I'm going to click on dismiss. And then you want to add your product name. So just polo shirt is what I'm adding. And then you can be able to add your product description. You notice you have text here and also you have visual editor. So I'm just going to put something here. Okay. And then if you come here, you have the media. You can add different media to attach it to this particular product there, but we're not going to do that. So we want to next add a product image. So let's click add product image. When you come here, if you have any images that you've already uploaded, it's going to show here. If you don't have any, you can just go to upload files and you can click to upload it. Now you want to pay attention to the maximum file size. Based on your server settings, this is going to dictate whatever number is here. So if your number is not 60 like mine, it's okay. You can contact your hosting company and they can increase that number for you, but you don't want to put it too high. So let's go back to media. So I've already uploaded this shirt. So I'm going to click on it, and I have different attributes here on this side. I can put all text, I can put in a caption, and I can put in a description for this item. So we're going to take a look on the front end so you see how that looks. So this is like this is a polo shirt, and this is the URL for that particular file. So let's click to set product image, and then now that's the product image for this. Now if you scroll down here, you see inventory, you have general, the price. I'm just gonna put this, that's the regular price, and that's the sale price. And then you have the inventory. It's great for keeping track of the stuff you have. So in case things go down, the system is going to automatically let people know the stock is low. Then you can have your shipping. If you have products that has weight, length, height, you can do that in here. And you have your linkable products. So if you wanted to upsell or cross sell something, then you can be able to use this right here. So let's say someone buys some jeans, right, for the upsell, and you want to, let's say, give them some new pair of jeans that just came out. This is brand new, and you can cross sell with that. Or if someone wants to downsell, you can do the downsell here for that as well. And then you have the attributes, you have your advanced, and then you have to get more info. So my goal of it is I really want to keep things basic and simple to kind of get you started. And then you have your product description here. So I'm just going to, you can copy the same thing here for this one. So I'm just going to put in, this is the short description that talks about the product. This is a polo shirt for you. Okay, so that is the product description. And then once you're done, you can click to preview, or you can just click to publish. So when I click to preview here, it is going to show you this. Now you can be able to see a short description we put there and the reviews. You can be able to choose the quantity. You can also choose the category. You see the price here. This is the original price, but this is what's on sale. So you have this nice sale. And if you move your mouse around, it enlarges that item for you. So as you can see, it's very, very simple and easy for you to add your first product.